Students, the next two formulas are tan of x plus 1 and tan of x minus 1. Remember, the formula of tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan. And the formula of tan of x minus 1 is tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y. Now you have to memorize and write these formulas daily 5 times till we conclude the chapter by 30th of August. Students, this chapter is a long chapter, so we will conclude the chapter by the next month end. So daily, students, you need to memorize and write these formulas 5 times. Then only you will remember these formulas. Otherwise, it is very difficult to remember. Now, students, I want to find, I am doing the first sum, the last lecture. I think we have completed up to sum number 4. So today we will do questions 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, students, now this is a fair application of basic formulas. Sine of 75 degree and tan of 15 degree, these two values, students, you don't know directly from the table. So if I am supposed to use, say, this formula I am focusing, I am supposed to use, students, this formula I am going to apply. So I should express 75 in terms of some known values from the table, and the answer is very simple. This is written as sine of 45 degree plus 30. And from the table, we know the values of sine and cos for 45 and 30 degrees. Now if I apply this formula, this is our x and this is our y. So apply the formula sine x, so sine 45 degree, cos y, so cos 30 degree, plus cos x, so cos 45 degree, flip flop, and sine y, so sine 30 degree. Now comes the application of your table, which, students, I have already taught in the last lecture. So sine of 45 degree is nothing but 1 by root 2, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 by root 2, sine 30 by 2. Take LCM as to root 2. Generally we avoid keeping irrational term in the denominator, so multiply and divide by root 2. So root 6 plus root 2 by 4. This is, students, your final answer. So one has to be very careful and, students, very precise when you apply these basics. Okay, tan 15 degree, I am supposed to use either of these two formulas. I am focusing on this formula, which is tan of x minus y, and that I am going to apply. So express 15 in terms of two known values. It is written as 45 minus 30. Because we know the value of tan 45 and tan 30. Again, apply the formula of tan of x minus y. So this is tan 45 minus tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30 degree. Tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 into 1 by root 3. Take root 3 as LCM, so root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. We never take irrational term in the denominator. So what is rationalizing factor of root 3 plus 1? Root 3 minus 1. So this becomes root 3 minus 1 double square upon 2. Because this is 3 minus 1, so this is 3 minus 2, 3 plus 1 upon 2. So this becomes 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. Take 2 common, so the answer is 2 minus root 3. So students, one has to be very careful in interpreting the values. The values which you write here, you have to express 15 in terms of 2 known values. And once you do that, students, your purpose is served, and if you know the formula, the sum is done. Okay, now students, we do the sixth sum. Now students, we are doing the sixth sum. Let us write the question. It is proved that LHS is cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sin of pi by 4 minus x into sin of pi by 4 minus y. Okay students, pay attention. Now initially when you observe, the technique is there are 2 cos terms with a negative sign and then 2 sin terms. So this directly implies the application of this formula. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This directly implies the application of formula number 1. For that, I am supposing pi by 4 minus x is equal to a and pi by 4 minus y is equal to b. So this is written as cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So if I apply the formula, it is cos of x plus y instead of x y, we have ab. So this is cos of a plus ab, substituting the values of a and b. Pi by 4 is 45 plus 45, 90. Cos 90 minus of x plus y. Now we have written the formula cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Our x is x plus y. So the answer is sin of x plus y, which is your RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, and it's proved. Mind you, this is 45, which is added, and it becomes 90. That written. So students, this is how we demonstrate the application of formulas. And here we are going very slow, doing only 5 to 6 sums daily, so that you can understand the concepts. Okay, now 7th sum. Students, let us do sum number 7. 10 pi by 4 plus x. 7th sum. LHS tan of pi by 4 plus x upon tan of pi by 4 minus x. So this easily tells us that apply the formula of tan x plus y and tan x minus 1. This easily tells us apply these 2 formulas. So I am applying in the numerator tan pi by 4 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x upon This is 10 pi by 4 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10 pi by 4 into 10x. 10 pi by 4 is 1. So this is 1 plus 10x. This is 1 into 10x. So this will become 1 minus 10x. When I take from denominator to numerator, it is reciprocal. So this will be 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x. So this is written as 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x the whole square. That is your LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence true, students. This is only we want in the answer. Okay, now students say some. Let us note down the question. LHS cos pi plus x into cos of minus x upon sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x. And ninth sum also I am writing LHS cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. We will prove this as 1. Okay, students, now all of you concentrate. Multiple of pi function does not change. Multiple of pi, the function, students, does not change. So, what is cos pi plus x? Then the answer is cos x. And pi plus x falls in third quadrant. Third quadrant cos x is negative, so this is minus. Now cos of minus x is cos x. Just now we have explained upon sin pi minus x. So the answer is sin x. Pi minus x falls in second quadrant. Sin positive, this will be positive. Multiple of pi by 2, so cos will change to sin. Pi by 2 plus x is second quadrant. Cos is negative, so this will be a negative sign. So finally this is cos square x upon sin square x, and that is in what? Cot square x. So that is what just check. So that only, students, we have to write. Now question number 9, students. Multiple of pi by 2, so cos will change to sin. 3 pi by 2 plus x will fall in fourth quadrant. Check unit circles. Fourth quadrant cos positive. Cos pi by 2 plus x, multiple of pi, so the answer is cos x. Cos 2 pi plus x, not pi by 2. Cos 2 pi plus x, multiple of pi. So function will not change. 2 pi plus x will fall in first quadrant. First quadrant all positive, so this will be a positive sign. 3 pi by 2 minus x, multiple of pi by 2, so cot will change to 10. Now 3 pi by 2 minus x will fall in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Cot is positive, so this will be a positive sign. This answer is cot x. 2 pi plus x multiple of pi, so part will remain same. 2 pi plus x, first quadrant always we see to all positive. So this is written as sin x into cos x. This is written as sin x upon cos x, and this is written as cos x upon sin x. Take LCM within the bracket. So sin x cos x into bracket sin square x plus cos square x upon sin x cos x gets cancelled. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1, and 1 is definitely students your RHS. So now let us complete the 10 some remaining questions we do in the next lecture, because the concept is changing. Okay students, sum number 10. Let us note down the LHS. LHS is equal to sine of n plus 1 into x, sine of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x, cos of n plus 2 into x. Now technically speaking, this should be written in this form. This is also covered within bracket, so you are not confused. Now there are two sine terms and there are two cos terms. Check, and that is only possible when it is a formula of cos and it bears plus sign. So indirectly I have to apply this formula to instead. But before that, I am supposing n plus 1 into x as a and n plus 2 into x as b. So now this will change to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So this is written as cos of a minus b. So cos of n plus 1x minus n plus 2x, open the bracket. So cos of nx plus x minus nx minus 2x, nx nx gets cancelled. X minus 2x is minus x, so cos of minus x is cos x. That is what I just checked. So students, here you have to be very careful about application of formulas. Again and again, write the formulas till this formulas comes into your dream. Till that time you should write. So here we conclude with new formulas and concepts. We will start in the next lecture.